inside. I make your dreams come true when you wake up. And your looks just the same without no makeup. Had to pull up on your mama, see what you made of. Ain't gotta worry about them comers cause my cake up.
Hey, it's Kiwi back with another video. If you would like to recreate this day to night look, keep watching. So, I'm going to start off by using Mario Badescu's Facial Rose Water Spray. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Granite. So this comes with a brow brush, aka spoolie on one side and a thin pencil on the other side. First, I'm going to brush my eyebrow hairs in an upward motion. Then, brush the top of my eyebrows all in one direction. I'm doing this so that I won't have any flyaways in the way when I begin to use the pencil. I'm now going to start filling in the brows, starting at the tip of my brow, then working my way to the front. I really do admire the Brow Wiz because of the flexibility. I don't have to worry about scrummaging around for a brow pencil and a brow brush. Instead, I can just alternate the two sides. Here I'm brushing the front of my brow to make the eyebrow look more natural. Next, I will be using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Chestnut to sharpen and clean up my brows. I'm going to grab a concealer brush and pop these eyebrows. I will be concealing the bottom of my brow, the top, and the middle of my brows. My favorite part of the face is to do my brows. When my brows are popping, my whole face comes alive. Now I'll be using a small blending brush to blend the concealer into my skin to have a more finished look. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyelids with a dab of NARS concealer. Following the prime, I will then blend it in. I'll be using Laura Mercier's translucent powder to set my eyes with a small blending brush so that my eyeshadow won't crease and look flaky. I'm going to pick up some deep purple eyeshadow and blend it all over my eyelid. I'm using tape on the corner of my eye so that I can have a sharp winged effect. I'm going to use this creamy concealer again to create a cut crease. So I'm picking up some on my concealer brush and cutting that crease. Bringing it from the lower inner corner of my lid to the lower end of my lid. And I will do the same on the other side off camera. Next, I'm just setting that crease. I'm going to pick up the shade Cosmic in the Galaxy Chic palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm packing this shimmery purple on the crease. Following that, I'm going to use a darker purple where the corner of my eye and the tape meet. I will begin lining my eyes using the Too Faced Black Liquid Art eyeliner. I love using this eyeliner because I can get a precise, controlled look and it's waterproof, which is a plus. So now I'll be using this Maybelline mascara to coat my eyelashes. I'm prepping them for my falsies so that my eyelashes look infused together. These are some Remy eyelashes by Kiss in the style Wispy. I actually put them on off camera. I'm going to spray this foundation brush so that I have an airbrushed effect look. Going back in with the NARS concealer, I'm beginning to conceal under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. You want to keep blending until you can't blend anymore. So now I'm going to take a foundation stick in a darker shade than my own to contour. I couldn't find my contour stick, so I use this instead. I rarely contour because I feel like I have strong cheekbones already, so I don't have to enhance them. But I do like contouring to bring the color back in my face after all that concealing and baking. I will then use the True Complexion contour palette to set the contour and sculpt these areas. I will use the same foundation sticks to snatch that nose, and then I will blend it all in. My favorite part, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit to highlight. I'll be using the color Purple Horseshoe just to finish up this face. For the finale, I will be using one of my favorites, the Tarteist Lip Paint in the color Yes. Okay guys, this is the finished look. So if you love this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.